Hello students, I am Dilip Udani, Assistant Professor at LJ Institute of Engineering and Technology. Today in partial derivatives, I will teach you implicit differentiation. So before going into the detail of implicit differentiation, first of all, we need to understand what is an implicit function. Any function of the type function of xy is equals to c is called an implicit function where c is constant. For example, if you have been given the function x square plus y square equals to 4. So this is of the form function of xy equals to c where the value of c is 4. So this is an example of an implicit function. You can find out the derivative of an implicit function using ordinary derivative also. But here we will see how to find out the derivative of an implicit function using partial derivatives. So if function of xy is c given to you, then dy by dx that is equals to minus del f by del x upon del f by del y. This is the formula with the help of which we can find out the derivative of an implicit function using partial derivatives. Now we will see examples related to this topic. And example number 1 is if x cube plus y cube equals to 3axy, then you have to find out dy by dx. So here x cube plus y cube equals to 3axy is an implicit function and we will find out its derivative, that is dy by dx, using partial derivative. So let function of xy that is equals to x cube plus y cube minus 3axy. Now dy by dx that is minus del f by del x upon del f by del y. So first of all here we will find out del f by del x, and del f by del x that is nothing but the partial derivative of function of xy with respect to x. So del f by del x, right? So derivative of x cube with respect to x, answer is 3x square. According to the formula d by dx, x raised to n that is equals to n into x raised to n minus 1. And the next term is y cube and that is constant. So its derivative will be 0. And then after the next term is minus 3axy. So minus 3ay will be constant and derivative of x is 1. Now divided by, we have to find out del f by del y. So partial derivative of f with respect to y. So first term is x cube. So its derivative will be 0 because this is constant. Then after derivative of y cube, again using the formula d by dx x raised to n that is n into x raised to n minus 1. So derivative of y cube that will be 3y square. Then after minus 3ax will be constant and derivative of y with respect to y, answer is 1. Now taking 3 common from the numerator and denominator. So the result is minus in the numerator x square minus ay and in the denominator y square minus ax. Now multiplying the numerator by minus sign, so it will become ay minus x square and divided by y square minus ax. So this is the derivative of the implicit function x cube plus y cube equals to 3axy. Now we will see example number 2 related to this topic, and that is if cos x raised to y equals to sin y raised to x, then we have to find out dy by dx. So let function of xy that is cos x whole raised to y equals to sin y whole raised to x. Now we will take logarithm both sides to simplify this function. So that will be y into log cos x that is equals to x into log sin y. So let function of xy that is y log cos x minus x log sin y. Now we will apply the formula of derivative, that is dy by dx equals to minus del f by del x upon del f by del y. Now we have to find out partial derivative of f with respect to x and partial derivative of f with respect to y. Okay. Now first of all we will find out del f by del x. So partial derivative of a function of xy with respect to x. So we have to keep y constant. Now you can see that y will be constant. Now derivative of log cos x with respect to x. And you know very well, derivative of log x, answer is 1 upon x. So here, derivative of log cos x, that will be 1 over cos x. And in place of x, we have cos x. So again, we have to differentiate cos x with respect to x. So answer is minus sin x. Then after, minus sign will be as it is, and derivative of x with respect to x, answer is 1. And log sin y will be constant. And divided by, we have to find out del f by del y. So partial derivative of function of xy with respect to y. So we have to keep x constant. So logarithm of cos x will be constant, and derivative of y with respect to y, answer is 1. Then after, minus, and we have to differentiate partially x log sin y with respect to y. So x is constant, x will be as it is. Now derivative of log sin y, that will be 1 over sin y, and in place of x we have sin y. So again we will differentiate sin y. So answer is cos y. Now we have to simplify this result. So multiplying numerator by minus sign. So sin x over cos x, answer is tan x. So it will be y into tan x. Then after plus log sin y, and divided by log cos x. Then after minus sign, x will be as it is, and cos y upon sin y, answer is cot y. So this is the dy by dx of the given function, that is cos x raised to y equals to sin y raised to x. Okay. Now we will see example number 3 related to this topic. If y raised to x raised to y equals to sin x, then we have to find out dy by dx. Now here the given function is y raised to x raised to y, and that is sin x. So first of all we will take logarithm both sides. So we have x raised to y into log y equals to log sin x. Then after, let function of xy, that is equals to x raised to y into log y minus log sin x. Now we will apply the formula of derivative, that is dy by dx, and that is equals to minus del f by del x upon del f by del y. So first of all we will find out del f by del x, and then after del f by del y. So del f by del x, that is partial derivative of function of xy with respect to x, keeping y constant. Here for the first term, x raised to y into log y is constant, and for x raised to y is constant. So over here applying the formula of d by dx x raised to n, that is n into x raised to n minus 1. So it will be y into x raised to y minus 1, and log y is constant. Then after minus sign, now derivative of log sin x. You know very well that derivative of log x is 1 upon x. So derivative of log sin x is 1 over sin x. And in place of x we have sin x. So again we will differentiate sin x with respect to x, and answer is cos x. Now in the denominator, that is del f by del y, it means we have to differentiate function of xy partially with respect to y, keeping x constant. So the first term, x raised to y into log y, both are functions of y. So we will apply product rule. So first term, x raised to y will be as it is. Now derivative of log y, answer is 1 over y. Then after plus second term, log y will be constant. Now derivative of x raised to y, according to the formula, derivative of a raised to x, answer is a raised to x into log a. So here derivative of x raised to y will be x raised to y into log x, and log y is constant. Now we have to simplify this result. Okay, so multiplying the numerator by minus sign, so the second term, that is 1 over sin x into cos x, so it will become cot x, and then after minus sign, the first term is y into x raised to y minus 1 into log y. And in the denominator we will take x raised to y common, so into bracket we have 1 over y plus log x into log y. So this is the derivative of the function y raised to x raised to y equals to sin x. Now we will see example number 4 related to this topic. So example number 4 is, by using partial derivatives, find the value of dy by dx for the function x e raised to y plus sin xy plus y minus log 2 equals to 0 at point 0 comma log 2. So this is function of xy. Let function of xy is equals to x e raised to y plus sin xy plus y minus log 2. Now first of all we will find out dy by dx for this implicit function. So dy by dx, that is minus del f by del x upon del f by del y. So first of all we will find out del f by del x and then after del f by del y. So del f by del x, that is nothing but the partial derivative of function of xy with respect to x keeping y constant. Here the first term is x e raised to y, right? So e raised to y is constant and derivative of x is 1. Then after we have to differentiate sin xy partially with respect to x, and derivative of sin x is cos x. So derivative of sin xy, answer is cos xy. But in place of x we have xy. So again we will differentiate partially xy with respect to x. So derivative of x is 1 and y is constant. Then after the third term is y and it is constant, so its derivative is 0. Then after the last term is minus log 2, and minus log 2, that is a constant value and its derivative will be 0. Now divided by del f by del y. It means we have to partially differentiate function of xy with respect to y. So we have to keep x constant. So for the first term x e raised to y, x is constant and the derivative of e raised to y, answer is e raised to y. Then after again derivative of sin xy partially with respect to y, right? So derivative of sin xy, answer is cos xy. And in place of x we have xy, so again partial differentiation of xy with respect to y. So derivative of y is 1 and x is constant. Then after partial derivative of y with respect to y, answer is 1 and log 2 is a constant value, so its derivative is 0. Now we have to find out dy by dx at point 0 comma log 2. So in dy by dx we have to replace x by 0 and y by log 2. So replacing x by 0 and y by log 2, it will become minus e raised to log 2. We have replaced y by log 2, then after plus cosine of x is 0 into log 2, so it will become 0, so it is cosine of 0. Then after replacing y by log 2, so cosine of 0 into log 2 and divided by, for the first term, x into e raised to y. So value of x is 0, so first term will become 0. And then after in cosine of xy into x, if you will put down the value of x equals to 0, so it will become 0. And then after the last term is 1. So dy by dx is minus e raised to log 2 plus cos 0 into log 2 divided by 1. Now the value of e raised to log 2, answer is 2, because e raised to log y on base e, answer is y. So e raised to log 2 to base e, answer is 2. And value of cos 0 is 1. And 1 into log 2, answer is log 2. So the dy by dx at point 0 comma log 2 for the given implicit function is minus into bracket 2 plus log 2. Okay. So in today's lecture we have discussed what is implicit differentiation, how to find out implicit differentiation using partial derivatives, that is dy by dx equals to minus del f by del x over del f by del y. Okay, and we have gone through 4 examples related to this topic. Thank you for watching this video.